London is already switching into full Christmas mode. And if you've been anywhere near the West End lately, you've probably felt it. Piccadilly, Leicester Square, and St. Martin's Lane jumped to the gun this year, lighting up the very first Christmas displays of 2025 on November 1st. But that was just the warm-up. 3 of London's biggest and most iconic displays are officially switching on, turning the entire center of the city into a full-on festive playground. And yes, it's happening way earlier than usual, which is exactly why everyone's talking about it right now. On Monday, November 3rd, Oxford Street kicked things off. This year's display uses over 300,000 LED bulbs across 5,000 hanging stars. Europe's longest shopping street will be glowing from end to end. And while everyone's taking photos for Instagram, the lights are also raising money for Great Ormond Street Hospital, supporting seriously ill children. Regent Street's famous spirits return early too. These floating angels have become one of London's most iconic Christmas sights. There are 30 of them in total, stretching from Regent Street across Piccadilly, Jermyn Street, St. James's Market, Glasshouse Street, Swallow Street, and the Quadrant Arcade. If you're in central London at night, you won't miss them. And of course, Carnaby had to do something bold. Time Out has already named it the best Christmas lights display in London for 2025. This year's theme is All is Bright, featuring over 60,000 LED lights designed to celebrate joy, optimism, and Soho's creative energy. It's bright, loud, artistic, and very Carnaby. So yeah, the lights may be switching on early, but that's exactly why the city feels alive right now. If you're planning a Christmas trip to London, or you just want that festive hit before December, this is the week everything kicks off. Thanks for watching. If you want to stay updated on London's biggest events, travel tips, and seasonal guides, make sure to subscribe. And if you want more festive spots to check out, we've got plenty of videos waiting for you on the channel.
All World. Live like a local.